Hello students, good morning. Today we start standard 3rd subject maths chapter 4 subtraction. Exercise number 4.4. In last video we learn about differences between two number. Okay, now today we learn subtract the following using estimation to the nearest 100 and compare with the actual value. To estimate the differences, round off in minuend and subtrahend to the nearest 10 and 100,000. So here are this number, given this number horizontal. First we find out actual value and after they convert in round off and we find out estimate value and compare with actual value. So students, first we arrange this number in thousand, hundred, tens and ones. So first we write bigger number, after we write smaller number. So 8,479. Now we arrange downside number 5,216. Now we do subtract and find out actual value. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 7 minus 1, 6. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. Now we get actual value 3,263. Now in this number we convert round of nearest 100. So you learn what will we do? Find out nearest rounding of nearest 100. So we look at the number of tens place. So here the number of 10 place greater than 5. So we put down, first we write 1,000, 100, tens and ones column. Now we convert round of number. Ones place and tens place we put 0. And here is 7 number, so we add 100 place. So here 5 and 8 is same number, 8,500 is round off. Now we convert downside number in round off. Here 1. 1 is less than 5. So we convert, here put down 0, 0 and to write same number and 1,000 place also write same number and we will do subtract. Now here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. Now 3,263 is actual value and estimate value is 3,300. Now you look at this number 6. 6 is more than 5. So we add 100 place So here 3. So 3300 is estimate value. So our estimate value is correct. Now second, here horizontal number 2807 from 5731. We find out first actual value and after estimate value. So we arrange this number 1000, 100, tens and ones place. First 1000, 100, tens and ones. First we write greater number 5731. After downside other number 2807. Now we do subtract. 1 is small number and 7 is big number. So we take borrow from tens place. 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7, 4. Here left 2. 2 0 0. Now here 7 is small number and 8 is big number. So we again take borrow from 1000 place. So here 17 and here left 4. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8, 9. 4 minus 2. Left 2. 2904. Now we find out estimate value. First we convert this number rounding off nearest 100. So here 5731. So we look at the tens place number. 3 number is less than 4 or 5. So we put down ones place and tens place 0 0 and we write same number. So first we write 1000, 100, tens and ones. Now ones place 0 0 and 7 5. Now downside number 2807. Here is 0. So ones place and tens place we put down 0 and other number we write same. 0 0 and 2 8 28. Now we will do subtract. Here 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now 7 is 100 place and 8 is 100 place. 7 is a small number and 8 is big number. So 8 number is we cannot subtract from 7 number. So we take borrow from 1000 place. Here 17 and here 4. So 17 minus 8, 9. 4 minus 2, 2. So 2900. Here number is actual value is 2904. Here we see, look, number is tens place. Here 0. So 0 0 and 29. So our estimate value is 2900. Now second question, word problem. First, a shopkeeper had 8,500 kg of rice. He sold 6,650 kg. How much rice is he left? Means एक दुकानदार के पास 8,500 kg राइस है, उसने 6,650 kg राइस सोल्ड किया, मीन्स बेच दिया. हाउ मच राइस इज ही लेफ्ट विथ? अब उसके पास कितना राइस बचा? सो वी फाइंड आउट. नाउ वी राइट amount of rice with shopkeeper. How much amount? 8,500. We write 1,000, 100, tens and ones. So 8,500. Now he sold 6,650 kg rice. So amount of rice sold. How much? 6,650. Now in every word problem, in last word we look at, here is how much left, how many left, so we do subtract. And in other word problem, in last word all together, how many all, so we do addition. Here is he left with, so कितना बचा? So amount of rice left, so we do subtract. इतना राइस था 8,500 kg and 6,650 kg. इतना उसने बेच दिया, अब उसके पास कितना बचा? सो वी डू सब्ट्रैक्ट. नाउ 0 0 0, हियर 0 and here 5. So we take borrow from 100 place. Here left 4. So 6 is minus from 4? No. So we take again borrow. Here 14, here left 7,000. So 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5, 5. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6, 8. Now 7 minus 6, 1. So 1,850 kg. Now B. Mrs. Sharma had rupees 8,000 415 in her account. She withdrew rupees 5050 from it. How much money is there in her account now? Mrs. Sharma had rupees 8450 means मिसेस शर्मा के पास 8450 रुपीस है, मतलब उनके अकाउंट में। शी विड्रॉ, उन्हें विड्रॉ किए मीन्स निकाल लिए बैंक में से। हाउ मनी मच रुपीस 5050। हाउ मच मनी इज देयर इन हर अकाउंट, अब उनके अकाउंट में कितने पैसे बचे, मतलब कितने मनी बचे। मनी इन अकाउंट, सो वी राइट मनी इन अकाउंट। हाउ मच मनी रुपीस 8450। Now money, what money? So उनके अकाउंट में कितने रुपए हैं 8450। अब उन्होंने कितने विड्रॉ किए मनी विड्रॉ रुपीस 5050। Now how many left in account? Money, how much money left in their account? Money left in account. How much money left in their she account? So we do subtract 0 0 0, 5 minus 5 0, 4 0 4, 8 minus 5 3, and we write here rupees. So rupees 3400 left in Mrs. Sharma's account.